Well, greetings everyone. I am PRAMOD SWAMINATHAN. I have done a course on data analytics using R programming through Skyfi Labs. As a part of which, I have done a small project on this concept. I am presenting you the same through this video. First, I have used two datasets for analysis purpose. One is with respect to the crimes related to the properties in India. Another one is Gini index based analysis and visualization through world map. I'm going to use the Gini indexed data set and I'm going to visualize it through the world map. So first we will consider the crime record dataset analysis. I'm just displaying you the code here. I'm using three packages which are nothing but DPLYR, which is used for data manipulation, ggplot2 and corplot. These two are used for data visualization. Corplot is nothing but correlation plot. First, I'm just loading the data set into a variable called property set. And let me show you the data set. The one which is on the left side is the data set. So you could see area name here, group name, subgroup name, cases property recovered, cases property stolen, value of property recovered, value of property stolen. These are the columns which are available in this particular data set, and it is for different states in the country India. Then I'm just by view function we could view the property set. Then I'm performing slight manipulation on this data, which is nothing but I'm just taking these two columns, cases property recovered and cases property stolen. I'm just subtracting these two values to get the cases pending. And similarly, value of property recovered and value of property stolen. These two are subtracted and we get the value pending. That is what done in the next two lines. Then this is up to data manipulation. Next, we are going to visualize the data through plot. So I'm going to visualize it as a year-wise plot. So let me show you. Here in this year-wise cases, the x-axis will tell you the year. It is for over a decade. Say 2001 to 2010. And y-axis is the stolen cases count. So you could see the varying graph. It is plotted for that huge data set for over 10 years. Next, after this, we could see the correlation. Correlation is an important concept in data analysis, um, which will help us in analyzing the data in a better way. So we could see that correlation plot here. Here, the correlation is almost every correlation is positive, and the highest correlation is between cases property stolen and cases pending. And similarly, other correlations are also given. The highest correlation will be brighter blue. Here, naturally, the correlation between the same columns will be 1. Next, using summary function. It is actually the inbuilt function in R programming. It will just you the minimum, maximum value, mean, median, etc. for each column in our data set. So we could see that the minimum year is 2001 and maximum year is 2010. And similarly for group name, it just displays the length and what are the input. We could see that the class is character, and similarly for subgroup name. And for other columns, it includes the new columns also. But originally the data set was till value of property stolen. I have manipulated and given cases pending and value pending. It has also found the minimum and maximum values for these two manipulated data also. Then let us come to Gini index. Gini index is nothing but it is related to the income per person for, for country. So I am including this package our world map, which is available in our studio, and I am creating a variable called Gini index, and I am just creating a data frame only for the values for which I'm going to make a plot. Obviously, I need to include a country because we are going to map this data set's country with that of the our world map package countries. And then value. I'm just taking the value of 2006 Guinea index for 2006. It's because for the other years there are many not availables. That is, many columns are blank. So I am taking the value for 2006, and I am just using the function join country data to map. It just maps the country which is available in the map and which is available in the data set, and then it will plot by using map country data function. So we could see the map over here. So in the year 2006, which is we could see that South America, which possess highest Gini index, and China, India, and other countries possess moderate, and other European countries possess moderate Gini index. And these are the white spaces are nothing but those countries which does not produce Gini index that year, are which are nothing but not available in the table or the data set. Then let us come to summary analysis. We could see that the minimum Gini index is 27.92, and the one which is maximum is 2005. So we could see mean and median, and the number of not availables available in the data set are 188. These are the analysis. So we have just seen this Gini index analysis and crime rate analysis in India. So thank you for watching.